In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tickets in HubSpot. If you've ever had duplicate support requests or two conversations that clearly belong together, merging tickets keeps your workspace clean and your team aligned. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you can do this confidently. Start by heading to your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base, and from here you'll get to the tools you need. Look for the More option in the top navigation. Depending on your layout and permissions, menus can be condensed, so the More menu is a handy place to find what isn't immediately visible. From the More menu, choose CRM. This brings you into the core records area where your teams manage contacts, companies, deals, and what we need today, tickets. Next, click tickets. You'll land on your tickets view, showing open, closed, and in progress issues depending on your filters. Now, open the existing ticket you want to merge from. Think of this as your primary ticket, the one you'll keep after the merge. A quick tip here, choose the record that has the most complete context or is already being used by your team. That helps ensure the final ticket reflects the right details and is easy for everyone to find. Inside the ticket, look to the upper right for the Actions menu. Click Actions and then select Merge. This tells HubSpot you want to consolidate this ticket with another one. You'll see a prompt to select the ticket you want to merge into this one. Use the search to find the other ticket by name, number, or keywords. Take a moment to verify you've picked the true duplicate. Matching requester, subject, or related conversation is a good sign you've got the right pair. When you're sure, click Merge to finalize. After you merge, HubSpot combines the records so the conversation history and related associations are brought under the ticket you started from. Merging can't be undone, so that pause to double check is worth it. If your workspace is busy, it may take a moment for everything to update. That's normal. Once the merged ticket loads, review the timeline and properties to confirm the details look right. This is a good time to make sure the ticket is in the correct pipeline and stage. Add a clear internal note summarizing what was merged, and ensure owners and followers are set so the right people stay informed. If your team relies on SLAs or automation, confirm those still apply as expected. And that's it. Your duplicates are now one clean, consolidated ticket, ready for your team to move forward.